What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of y with respect to t. So we need to find dy over dt. We know from before derivative of sine or sine t is gonna be cosine t. Cosine t. My pen just died. If you have sine u, if u is a function of t, is going to be u prime times cosine u. If you have sine to the power of n t, derivative will be n times sine to the power of n minus 1 t. If you have sine to the power of n u, derivative will be n times u prime times sine to the power of n minus 1 u times cosine u. Here I forgot to write cosine t. So these are different combinations you have for finding the derivative of sine. So now if we go back to the original question, sine squared pi t minus 2 is going to be 2 times sine to the power of 1 pi t minus 2 times derivative cosine pi t minus 2 times pi. So it's going to be 2 pi times sine pi t minus 2 cosine pi t minus 2. This is going to be the final answer, but in case you want to make it a little bit simpler, you know 2 times sine x times cosine x is going to be sine 2x based on the trig identity. So you can write it also in terms of pi times sine 2 times pi t minus 2, or pi times sine 2 pi t minus 4. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.